What's happening, guys? So I got all of the rocks, sticks, twigs, and all the rest of the flora and fauna out of those lower heat exchangers. So now it's time to start putting this back together, but I've kind of done a thing. All right, guys. So yeah, it's going to get this lightweight front bumper support. This is a Bob Glaspie front bumper support. What makes this unique, aside from the fact that he ships it to you in a crate, which I think is pretty awesome, it does have provisions to run the wings if you want. Also, if you have a Hellcat, one of the main things that makes this so attractive is that you have all the provisions, all the different brackets and mounting points for your heat exchangers that mount to the bumper itself. But that's not the only reason. Obviously, this thing is going to be a lot lighter. Let me show you how much lighter it's going to be. Okay, guys, so the stock bumper with the ears weighs in right at 18.5 pounds. The new bumper support weighs in just shy of 1.5 pounds. Not going to be running any of the wings. Nobody really ever does. So, looking at a grand total weight savings of about 16 pounds. So guys, I'm gonna get started installing this thing. Basically, this thing shouldn't take too much time to get put back together. I'll shoot you guys some video of the car once it's knocked out, at least right before I put the bumper on, because you can't see it when the bumper's on. But I'll get some shots of it on the car so you can see what it looks like. And with that, I gotta get to work. That's a wrap.